Hi, this is Joe from Joe's Tech Bits, back with another video. I just wanted to show you my experiences with my trains. I don't know if you've ever had trains put away in a closet for years and years and years, but I have quite a few trains, all different gauges. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of space to put them, so I have to make do with what I have. But I wanted to show you my experience in getting some trains out and setting them up and trying to do it in a way that would fit in my location. I also tried to make it as economical as I could without spending a lot of extra money, but just using some of the stuff I had in the closet. So, here we go. I'll show you what I did. Let me know if you like it. When I first got the trains out of the closet, I just wanted to see if they ran, so I set them up on a patio table out in our porch, and then I decided to do something different. Hi, I'm here with my new N-scale train layout, which I ordered from Walmart. Just came in the box. And what I did, I ordered a folding table. It's 6 foot long and 30 inches wide. Hopefully it'll be perfect for an N-scale layout. So let's see what it looks like. We'll open it. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Good knife. And we'll see what this table looks like. I'm hoping, well, it looks good so far. You can see that. What I think I'll do is flip it over and just lift the box off. Here we go. I'm here still. Okay. There's my new layout. And it looks like we put it this way, we can open it. Oh, there's a latch on the front. Not sure how that works. Oh, there it is. Maybe I'll turn it this way. And you can see the inside, you can see the legs, and it's like an egg crate kind of design under here. It's really a nice table. And when I pull it out, it seems to snap into place. And just have to straighten the legs out. Move it down a little bit. And it's all set with the track, and the next video I'll show you with the track on. So it's really a nice deal. It was under $50 for the table, and it's better than getting plywood, having it mounted on horses or legs or whatever. And it's not going to be holding anything heavy. It's going to hold N scale trains, so that'd be great. So let's go to the next video. Well, I set up my new layout on my new table, and it works out perfectly. Of course, I need to add some track and maybe some foam on top. I'm not quite sure what to do with it. You might have some suggestions of things I can do. I even had a few small houses, N scale, that I laid out, and I can run probably another track around this one using a different radius curve, and have two trains running at the same time on this 30-inch wide surface. 30-inch by 72. Perfect. Easy to handle, easy to fold up if I need to. And first I'll have to put the track away or whatever. Or I could set it up as a folding layout if I have track connected in the middle. So, this is our first video in our new layout. We'll have more to come soon. Keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. I ordered some extra straight track, the Bachmann Easy Track, to add to the existing track that I have from my current N scale set. This is what came today. There's 6 pieces of 5-inch straight track. So what I'm going to do is add this to my track. Then I also have on order some Kato Track, which is going to give me a larger oval around my current oval. So when I get that, I'll show it to you. Maybe I will just open this up now and show you what this track looks like. This is the Bachmann Easy Track N scale, 5-inch sections, straight sections, and this is what's in the package. I'm going to use these to add on to my existing track from my original N scale train set. I will show you that later on my layout. I wanted to show you how I expanded my track. I had this Bachmann Easy Track, and it was from a previous set I had, a straight set. So I added some straights to it, and I have it running my Amtrak train here. It's an Amtrak electric engine, GE, and it's running real nice right now. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Running pretty quick. I didn't realize I had it running that fast. What my plan is I have some new Kato track I just ordered. I'm going to make an outer oval around this oval with the Kato Track. Hopefully the Kato Track is a lot easier to work with, because I had a lot of problems with this Bachmann Easy Track, getting it to connect without having big bumps in the track and things. And apparently the Kato Track is much easier to work with. So I'll try that. So I'll have one outside track of Kato and one inside track of Bachmann Easy Track. And I have some green felt coming from Amazon to cover the table with, so it looks a little more like a train layout, not just a table. So I'll show you the next step when I get the other track laid down. I wanted to show you what I have so far. I have some Bachmann Easy Track from an early old starter set that I had, which I'll be running on here. It's a freight set. But I also had an engine, the Amtrak electric, and some cars, some passenger cars, which I am just testing. So you can see what my layout looks like on my new table. And in the middle, here's what I will put on the outside track. I have some Kato tracks, so round and 2 lengths of straight. I can explain the 2 lengths at some point, but no need to do that now. There's a re-railer that I got and an extender cable to extend the wires from the track to the power pack. So I will be adding to this and it looks like both of my passenger cars are lit. The third one doesn't have a light in it, so we won't look for a light in that. Actually, these trains are more than 20 years old. I bought them when I lived in New York, so they've been sitting in the closet for a long time, but I decided to pull them out and try and scale. And again, here's the track I'm going to add. And we'll see that when I get it unpacked. The 2 trains I'll be running, or actually the 2 sets, is an older set that I've had in my closet for 20 plus years. It's a Bachmann N-scale freight set, and I'll be running the CSX engine with these cars. Again, like I said, this has been sitting in my closet for many, many years. I finally decided to get it out and give it a try. The next I'll be running is a brand new set I just got. It's a McKinley Explorer, also by Bachmann. And it has 3 nice passenger cars and an Alaska diesel, Alaska Railroad. So this should prove very interesting. So I'll be running both trains on my new layout. I ordered a piece of green felt, which will make the covering for the table And hopefully, I don't think it's going to look like grass, but at least it's green. And the whole table will have the same color. And if need be, I could lay some roads or whatever I want on it. But again, everything's going to be temporary. And if I need to move it or take it down or fold it up, it'd be real easy to do. Well, here's my layout with everything added. I think it really looks like a real train layout now, not just a folding table with some track on top. So, I'm going to enjoy just sitting here watching the trains run. But if you have any suggestions, comments, or you could even do a like or subscribe, that'd be appreciated. Let me know. Let me know what you think I could add to this to make it even better. So, hopefully you like this video, and we'll look forward to my next one, whatever that may be. And I hope you have a great day, a great week, great weekend, and I will see you soon. Enjoy the trains.